Hello, in front of me I've got Android smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to add message on the lock screen. You can add message and shortcuts on any Android smartphone. In order to do it, let's go to settings and next go to display and touch. Go to lock screen and here you can add text on lock screen. For example, buy milk. As you can see, the message is here. Next, you can add shortcuts. You can add left and right shortcut. Simply select the shortcut you are interested in and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.